So I'm out and about on this hot day, and I get in my car because I'm doing some errands, and it's even hotter in the car and it's really stuffy. So I want to show you 2 quick tips for cooling your car down quickly and keeping it that way. First things first, we're going to put the windows down and get all this hot stuffy air out of here. At the same time, I want you to start your air conditioner and just sort of get that going. And then we'll put up the windows in a minute and I'll show you what to do next. When I put on the AC, the car draws in the hot air from the outside, and then it needs to cool it down. Using the AC this way puts a lot of strain on the car as it needs more energy to keep cooling that outside air. And this is where the recirculating button comes into play. Putting this on cuts off that outside air and simply recirculates the air that is already inside the car. This helps your car work more efficiently and make your cabin as cold as possible, as quick as possible. It cuts out pollen and fumes and odors, and ultimately it helps save on gas too.